Hi everyone, this is Pooja Gurwal. Do you want to start your own multi-vendor grocery application like BigBasket? Then this is the right video for you. In this video, we are going to discuss in detail how our ready-made BigBasket similar app TopBasket works, how your customer can order, seller can accept the order and delivery man can deliver the order, and how you can track the complete order and control the whole process by using your admin panel. So we are going to discuss in detail how you can start your multi-vendor grocery app business like BigBasket, and how our ready-made BigBasket similar app TopBasket works, what you get in the project, and how your customer orders. So yeah, let's get started. If you are looking for your own app like BigBasket, or you want to understand how TopBasket works, then this is the video for you. So yeah, let's get started. So now let's understand how TopBasket app works, how customer can order, seller can accept and process the order, and how delivery man can deliver the order. And along with this, we are going to understand how admin can track the complete order. So yeah, let's get started. So when you download TopBasket customer app from Play Store, it looks like this. You click on it and it showing TopBasket brand name. But when it is your app, it will be showing your brand name. And now choose location. In the TopBasket, it shows you product from the nearby seller. So for example, if you choose Delhi location, it will show you products and sellers available in Delhi. So by using an application like TopBasket, you can order from your nearby sellers and sellers can receive that order. So yeah, now let's click on Bharatpur. And yeah, this is the home page of TopBasket. As you can see, this is similar to BigBasket. Here you can search a product directly. You can choose product by category. You can choose product by top offers. You can also choose product by store, as you can see here. You can also see the latest products. In the TopBasket, you can add to cart product directly without going inside of the product like this. You can also choose variation from outside without going inside of the product. You can choose variation like 1 kg, 2 kg easily. Now, let's add some products and understand how TopBasket can complete the order. Now, let's click on KNGD Mart, and here you can see all the products available in KNGD Mart. Let's add to cart products. You can also increase and decrease quantity without going inside of the product. Now, add different products. And now click on cart. To order, we must have an account registered. In the TopBasket, your users can create an account by filling their details, and then they will receive a OTP on their registered mobile number. This OTP sending, if you don't want, you can disable it also from the admin panel. And now our account is created. So now let's log in. And now we can complete the order. Now click on cart. And here you can see the complete order. Now choose you want the order to deliver or you want to go to the store to pick up. Now let's choose it as home. We want it as delivered. Now enter your address. Once the address is entered, you can choose from your past addresses like this. And now this is the final checkout page. Now choose you want to order by cash on delivery or online payment. The TopBasket support many payment gateways. Here we have connected Razorpay, as Razorpay supports taking payments from credit card, debit card, UPI, net banking and much more. For more, you can contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you. Now let's order right now by cash on delivery. Now click on it, and yeah, order is successfully placed by the customer app. Now in the seller app, the seller will receive a notification like this with sound like this, and now he can accept the order. This notification is made so the seller should not miss any order and he can accept the order at the time he just received the order. So in that way, seller never miss any order. Now the seller can see the detail of the order by clicking on it. He can also call the customer and now he will accept accept the order like this. And now to accept the order, the seller need to have a delivery man nearby him. In the top basket, the delivery men are by the company. So now let's open the delivery man app, and from here the delivery man can control he is online or offline. If he is offline, he will not receive any order, and if he is online, he will receive order from his nearby sellers. So now the delivery man is online, and now the seller can accept the order. Now the seller is accepting the order and he is assigning the delivery man. And yeah, that's how a seller accepts an order on Top Basket application. Now after the seller has accepted the order is going to the delivery man. Delivery man can also see the details of the order, check the products, check the order is cash on delivery or online payment, what is the total, and he can also see who is the seller of that product. He can also call or email the customer for any issue. The delivery man can also see the address of seller and the customer. Now when the order is accepted, it will go from the new orders to the ongoing orders in the seller app. Now the seller can change the order status, either is accepted or ongoing. It looks like this in the customer application. So the order status is every time getting updated, so the customer can get the real-time order details. The admin can also see the order status and can also control the order status by using his admin panel like this. So now let's assume the delivery man has reached the customer place. So now the delivery man will have to change the order status to delivered. To do that, he will click here and change the order status. Here there will be a OTP going on the registered number of customer, so the order can be confirmed. This functionality is made so we can assure the order has been delivered to the right customer. Now the customer can give that OTP to the delivery man and delivery man enter it, and yeah, order delivered. And that's how a order get delivered in Top Basket application. If you are booking Top Basket Android app, then you are getting Top Basket customer Android app, Top Basket seller Android app, Top Basket delivery man Android app, a website, a super admin, a store web admin, and a complete 1-year technical support with complete source code. Remember, in technical support, if there is any technical issue in your project, like your app is not working, your website is not working, or there is any current technical issue like you are not able to use the website completely or the app, then our team help you completely free for 1 year. For more, you can contact your consultant. If you are buying Top Basket Android plus iOS combo, then you are getting 3 Android apps, 3 iOS apps, a website, a complete super admin, and a complete store admin panel with complete full source code and 1 year free technical support. Remember, our any of the price or our any of the packages doesn't have hosting and domain included. For more, you can contact your consultant, and that's how complete Top Basket platform works. So now, as the order has been completed, the customer can also review the order. So by going to his past order, the customer can rate the order like this. He can click on rate us, and he can rate the store. He can also rate products separately, and he can also rate the delivery man. By giving the rating, he can give from 1 to 5 star, and also he can drop a comment. He can also comment that how was his experience, and these ratings can be seen in the app of the store and in the delivery man app also, and can be seen on the main customer app also. The seller can also upload products by using his app like this. He can also use web dashboard like this to upload his products. If you want to understand how Top Basket admin works or how Top Basket store admin works, then you can definitely watch our other videos. For more, kindly contact your consultant, and for any query you can drop a comment below so our team can help you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.